Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. I'm happy to present Good Neighbours. I think it's the first time here on Going Guitar. I just ran over the band here and I saw this song called Ripple. A fun song to play, very fun because it's that easy, and it has only two different chord progressions throughout this song. And I also liked the little music video with this little diver trying to catch things in the bottom of you have to watch it for yourself, okay? So go and listen to the song and then learn and play it here on Going Guitar. Let's take a look at the setup. We have the capo set here on the second position. All right, so with that we have 5 different chords. So we're gonna play E minor, and it goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have G next, and that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E. We have D, and that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have the A, and that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And finally we have the B minor. That's a bar chord. You play the index finger on this second fret, and you push down 5 strings, all strings except for the last E string in the bass. So that's that, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Then we have a strumming pattern. It's based upon 53 seconds in, where the chorus starts. There you can clearly hear how it's done. So if you grab the first chord, E minor, one string around will be. Okay, so it's a common one. You play first 1 down, then down up, and then up down up. So down, down up, down up. And a couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. It goes like this. Okay, so we have that. And now let's go into this first verse. And like I said, we have just 2 different chord progressions, and they're very similar. So we're going to start with E minor. And by the way, all of these chords is played 2 string rounds per chord. So E minor 2, G2, D2, and A2. You're going to play that for 1 round. And that's the first verse. So E, 2, G, 2, D, 2, and A, 2. And then we have at 41 seconds in the first pre-chorus. Now we play the other chord progression, and it's very similar. Like I said, you're gonna play E minor 2, and instead of playing G2, you play now the B minor 2. Then it continues in the same way, D2 and A2. You're gonna play it for 1 round. So E minor, B minor, D, and A, like this. That's a pre-chorus. Okay, then at 53 seconds in, like I mentioned, we can listen to the strumming there very clearly, and that's where the chorus starts. You're gonna play 2 rounds of the E minor, G, D, and A. And that's it. So 2 rounds of this. And that's the chords. And then we have a post-chorus part where you play 1 round of E minor, B minor, then D and A. And we know that by now. And from now on, there are no news pretty much. The second round is pretty much identical with this first one. So you want to play 1 round again in the verse and 1 round in the pre-chorus, then 2 rounds in the chorus. And what differs here is the post-chorus part we just learned with the E minor, B minor, D, and A. You play just 1 round for the first one, and this second you're going to play for 2 rounds of this E minor, B minor, D, and A. And after that you play the outro part, and you play that 2 rounds of E minor, G, D, and A. And that's it. Alright guys, so a cool song from Good Neighbours, Ripple. Obviously, guitar friendly. So give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you indeed, in fact, enjoyed it, then feel free to support me here on Chord Guitar. Thank you so much and play tuned.